Hey everyone, if you're seeing an error that says MFPlat.dll is missing on your Windows 11 PC, you're in the right place. This usually pops up when you're trying to open a video app, a game, or even some streaming services. The good news is it's not that hard to fix, and I will show you exactly how to do it. So first, what is MFPlat.dll? It's a part of the Media Feature Pack from Microsoft. It helps apps that rely on media playback. In some editions of Windows 11, especially N versions, it's not included by default. That's why you get the error. Step 1, check your Windows version. Press the Windows key plus the letter R, type WINVER, and hit Enter. If you see Windows 11N, that's the reason MFPLAT.dll is missing. No worries, here is how to fix it. Open Settings, then go to Apps and click on Optional Features. Scroll down and click View Features next to add an optional feature. In the search box, type Media Feature Pack. It's only available on Windows N versions. When it shows up, click on it, then hit Install. Give it a few minutes to download and install. Once it's done, restart your computer. That alone should solve the missing MFPLAT.dll issue for most people. But if it doesn't, here is an extra step. Go to the Microsoft official site and download the Media Feature Pack manually. Just search for Media Feature Pack for Windows 11N and pick the right version based on your system build. After downloading, run the installer. Follow the prompts and restart your PC again. That should completely restore the file and stop the error from showing up. One last thing, if you're still getting the error, try System File Checker, open Command Prompt as administrator, just search for CMD and right-click, choose Run as administrator, then type sfc /scanout and press Enter. Your media app should now work normally without that annoying error. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I am always around to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.